The FEIFANKE 145A 4-in-1 welder is a versatile tool that caters to both professional welders and DIY enthusiasts. With its multiple welding modes, including Gas MIG, Flux Core MIG, MMA Stick, and Lift TIG. This welder simplifies the setup process with intelligent voltage matching, allowing users to easily adjust current and wire feed speed for optimal performance. Its Gas MIG feature ensures smooth and low-spatter welds, offering strong penetration and cleaner results, making it ideal for auto repairs and metal fabrication. The machine supports a wide range of wire types and sizes, providing flexibility for various welding needs and projects. Included with the welder are comprehensive accessories such as multiple contact tips, drive rollers, and welding rods, ensuring you have everything you need to start welding immediately. Safety is a priority with built-in protections against overcurrent, overload, overvoltage, and overheating, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced users.